In this video, we will learn how to check whether a given string contains a valid number in Java. Our code will convert a string to a double. We will use a wrapper class conversion routine and catch the number format exception. In our main function, I will define a string and name it num and set its value to 1, 2, 3, but saving as a string, so we can check if this string contains a number. And then I will define a variable of type double and name it result, and then I will use a try and catch to catch the number format exception. If the string don't contain a number, it will throw this exception, number format exception, and that will be E. And here we are just going to print some message and return. If we get error, return, and the message will be this is not a number. System dot out dot print line or string do not contain a number. This string and also we can add the number that will be our num variable here, and in try block I'm going to call double class method parse double, so we can parse this number into our variable double dot parse double, and this should be a result, so we can save the parse value into a result and then pass in our number string. Okay, and just save it and run out the program. Also, I will add a message over here to the console that this is a number or string contains a number. String contains a number, and number will be our num. If everything goes okay, then this message will be printed. If the string don't contain a number, then this we will catch an exception and print this message. And you can see over here it printed string contains a number, that's 1, 2, 3, so everything is fine. Now I'm going to change the string's value to some text, and we should be able to catch an exception and print the message according to it. Over here I'm going to change this number to a text string hello. Just gonna use hello now and run the program, and now the exception is thrown because the string do not contain a numbers, and we get the exception and print this message, this string do not contain a number. So this way we can check if the string contains a number or not. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.